Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making mango lassi, a delicious creamy drink with mango, yoghurt, milk, sugar and a sprinkling of cinnamon. It's cool, refreshing and extremely easy to make. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. This recipe makes 2 large servings. You can use anything to combine the ingredients, but as I have the blender out, I'm going to be using that. Add in 250 millilitres, that's 1 cup of yoghurt. You can use any type you like as long as it's plain. Coconut yoghurt is fantastic, but stay clear of any other flavour. Next, add the same amount of mango puree. I'm using KTC Alphonso mango pulp, which I picked up at my local supermarket for £2. Now to loosen up the mixture, I'm using 125 millilitres, that's half a cup of milk. This is just UHT semi-skimmed, but again, anything will do the same job. As lassis are quite sweet, I like to add a tablespoon of white sugar, and for an extra layer of flavour, I'm also going to add half of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, but you can also add cardamom powder. Give it a good mixture around 30 seconds, check the consistency, adding a little more milk if you want it runnier, then simply serve and enjoy. Find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.